This is Mamuni. Thank you so much for being Amar Baba.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about the format of Bank Reconciliation Statement or BRS. I am also going to discuss what are the transactions we are going to add and what are the transactions we are going to deduct in Bank Reconciliation Statement or BRS. I have prepared a chart where I have written almost all the transactions which we are going to add and which we are going to deduct in bank reconciliation statement. Okay, and I will also show you the formula of BRS or the formula of bank reconciliation statement. So stay tuned till the end. So let's get started. Chalo shuru kora jak. Now, why the chapter Bank Reconciliation Statement or BRS is a nightmare for most of the students. Before answering this question, let me tell you, I personally feel Bank Reconciliation Statement or BRS is the second easiest chapter of class 11 after trial balance. And I have already uploaded many videos on trial balance, adjusted trial balance and redrafted trial balance. I have solved all the problems in the easiest way. If you are interested, please check out my videos titled Trial Balance. And let me answer the question. I feel Bank Reconciliation Statement is not only an easy chapter but very scoring chapter of class 11 accounts or accountancy. So why Bank Reconciliation Statement or BRS is a nightmare for most of the students? I feel they don't have a concept clarity or complete concept of the chapter BRS. In a nutshell, they don't understand what transactions should we add and what transaction should we deduct in bank reconciliation statement. That is the main problem. Trust me, BRS is a very easy chapter. In fact, I feel BRS is just a piece of cake. And not only that, it doesn't take much time to solve the problem in the exams also. Okay. So students who have bank reconciliation statement phobia must acknowledge the phobia and then go through the chapter BRS as many times as possible and solve all the problems, illustrations as well as exercise. Okay, so solve all the problems in bank reconciliation statement including illustrations and exercise as well, because accounts or accountancy is such a subject that requires daily practice, and practice not only makes a person perfect but it boosts your confidence level as well, and at the same time it increases your speed of solving the BRS problem within a few minutes. Understood? That is what I feel. Since we are talking about concept clarity or complete concept of the chapter BRS, let me discuss about some terms which are very, very important. See, number one, in a cash book, debits or debited in the cash book refer to the balance of deposits held at the bank or refer to cash at bank or added to the bank account of the cash book. But whereas in a bank passbook or a bank statement or passbook, debits or debited by bank refer to money withdrawal from the bank account or money is taken out of the bank account or money is deducted from the bank account. Okay? Understood? Number two, in cash book, credits or credited in the cash book refer to the withdrawal of money from the bank account or money is taken out of the bank account of the cash book or money is deducted from the bank account. But whereas in a bank passbook or bank statement or passbook, credits or credited by bank refer to deposits of the bank account or added to the bank account. Understood? Clear? And please remember, BRS is such a chapter that you have to practice daily. Make it a hobby to solve all the problems, as I had said before, illustrations as well as exercise. That's what I used to do. And I used to solve all the problems in the chapters. And please connect with the chapter BRS, because I feel lack of connection between the chapter and the students are a result of BRS phobia. Build up a positive connection between you and the chapter. And please don't treat bank reconciliation statement or BRS as something very, very scary and difficult, because this affects your learning ability and understanding of the basic concepts of the chapter. I know we all have the tendency to ignore and avoid the chapter, which we find very, very difficult. But instead, acknowledge the phobia and understand the concepts and solve all the problems in the chapter. Then only you'll get rid of BRS phobia. If you still have doubts, you can easily ask your teachers, and I'm sure they'll help you out. And please remember, this is my suggestion to you all. The only way to learn bank reconciliation statement is to solve BRS problems daily, because practice means work being repeated regularly to achieve success. Okay? Practice improves the skill of a person. And please remember, we can learn anything we want in the world with regular practice. Please remember, accountancy or accounts is not a subject which one can expertise in a day or two by reading. Accountancy is a subject that requires daily practice and consistent effort. And mark my words, one day you'll fall in love with accountancy or accounts, including bank reconciliation statement or BRS. Good luck. This is the format of bank reconciliation statement or BRS. On the top, you got to write bank reconciliation statement as on, let's say the date 31st March 2022. Okay? Here you got to write particulars. The first column is known as inner column and the second column is known as outer column. Okay? All the adjustments are done in the first column or in the inner column. Okay? And the final balance are written in the second column or outer column. Okay? Now let me show you the chart which I have prepared for you all. In this chart, you'll get to see what are the transactions you'll have to add and what are the transactions you'll have to deduct. I have written almost all the transactions. Okay? Now let's go through the chart. Please remember one thing. Here, bank balance as per cash book is taken as a starting point. Okay? So, I have written all the transactions according to this. Understood? Now, first you go to write bank balance as per cash book below particulars, and the amount will be in the outer column or in the second column. Okay? Since here bank balance as per cash book is taken as a starting point. Understood? So the amount will be written in the second column or outer column. Understood? Now let's see what are the transactions we are going to add. I have written almost all the transactions, especially for you people. Add. Number 1. Checks issued or drawn or paid all means the same thing, but not presented to bank. And the amount will be written in the first column or the inner column. Understood? Number 2. add interest on deposits or investments allowed by bank not entered in the cash book. Okay? The amount will be written in the first column or inner column. Number 3. Add amount directly deposited into the bank by the customers but not recorded in the cash book. The amount will be written in the first column or inner column. Okay? Because this is the adjustment column. Number 4. Add dividend collected by bank but not recorded in the cash book. The amount will be written in the first column or inner column. Understood? Number 5. Add checks paid or deposited into bank but omitted to be entered in the cash book. The amount will be written in the first column or inner column. Number 6. Add any wrong or excess credit given by bank in the passbook but not recorded in the cash book. The amount will be written in the first column or inner column. Number 7. Add bills of exchange or bills collected by the bank but not recorded in the cash book. The amount will be written in the first column or inner column. Okay? Number 9. Add short debit in cash book. The amount will be written in the first column or the inner column. After we have written all the transactions, we have to add up this total. So after adding, you have to write here the final total. Okay. Then you add up this too. Bank balance as per cash book. Suppose this is 20,000 and the total of transaction which we have added, suppose this is 80,000. So 20,000 plus 80,000 will give you 1 lakh. So we'll write 1 lakh. This one. Okay. And now let's see what are the transactions or reconciling items we are going to deduct. Okay. Let's go through it. I have written almost all the transactions in this chart. And I have prepared this chart especially for you people. Now these are the transactions we are going to deduct in case of bank balance as per cash book. Okay. Number 1. Less checks deposited or paid into bank for collection but not yet credited by bank. The amount will be written in the first column or inner column. Okay. Number 2. Less bank charges, incidental charges and commission charged by bank but not recorded in the cash book. The amount will be written in the first column or in the inner column. Okay. Number 3. Less direct payment like insurance premium or rent or club bills or club subscriptions by bank as per standing order or instructions of customers but not recorded in the cash book. Okay. The amount will be written in the first column or inner column. Understood? Number 4. Less checks deposited or paid into bank for collection dishonored by the bank but not recorded in the cash book. The amount will be written in the first column or inner column. Okay. Number 5. Less checks issued but omitted to be recorded in the cash book. The amount will be written in the first column or inner column. Okay. Understood? Number 6. Less discounted bills dishonored but recorded in the cash book. The amount will be written in the first column or inner column. Understood? Number 7. Less any wrong or excess debit given by bank in the passbook but not recorded in the cash book. The amount will be recorded in the first column or inner column. Okay. Number 8. Less interest on bank overdraft charged by the bank but not recorded in the cash book. The amount will be written in the first column or inner column. Understood? Number 9. Less short credit in cash book. The amount will be written in the first column or inner column. Number 10 or the last one. Bills payable made by bank but not entered in the cash book. The amount will be written in the first column or inner column. Understood? after writing all the transactions, you got to add up the total and write the amount here. Okay. So previously we have added bank balance as per cash book 20,000. With that we have added 80,000. Bank balance as per cash book is 20,000, let's say. And after adding all the transactions, we got 80,000. Okay. So bank balance as per cash book is 20,000 plus 80,000 will give you 1 lakh. Okay. Let's say after adding all the transactions which we are going to deduct is 70,000. So we'll write 70,000 here. Okay. So 1 lakh minus 70,000 will get 30,000. What is this 30,000? This is bank balance as per passbook. Why? Because bank reconciliation statement is started with the balance as per cash book. So the answer arrived at in the end will be the bank balance as per passbook. Okay. Suppose if the bank reconciliation statement is started with the bank balance as per passbook, then the answer arrived at in the end will be bank balance as per cash book. Understood? Since the bank reconciliation statement is started with the bank balance as per cash book, the answer arrived at in the end will always be the bank balance as per passbook or vice versa. Understood? Suppose the bank reconciliation statement is started with the bank balance as per passbook. Okay. Then the answer arrived at in the end will always be bank balance as per cash book. Okay. I have prepared this chart especially for you people. I hope this was helpful. And let me give you some more information. Bank balance as per cash book is also known as debit balance as per cash book or favorable balance as per cash book. Okay, understood? And bank balance as per passbook is also known as credit balance as per passbook or favorable balance as per passbook. Okay? And please remember, bank overdraft as per cash book is also known as credit balance as per cash book or unfavorable balance as per cash book. Okay? Please remember, bank overdraft as per passbook is also known as debit balance as per passbook or unfavorable balance as per passbook. Okay? Understood? Let me give you some more important information. Please remember, if the bank reconciliation statement is started with the debit balance as per cash book or favorable balance as per cash book, then the answer arrived at in the end will be the credit balance as per passbook or favorable balance as per passbook. Okay? Similarly, if the bank reconciliation statement or BRS is started with the credit balance as per passbook or favorable balance as per passbook, then the answer arrived at in the end will be debit balance as per cash book or favorable balance as per cash book. Understood? And please remember, if passbook balance is given in the question at the start, but it is not clearly stated this balance is debit or credit, then it will be treated as a credit balance as per passbook. Understood? Similarly, if cash book balance is given in the question at the start, but it is not clearly stated this balance is debit or credit, then it will be treated as a debit balance as per cash book. Understood? And please remember, balance as per ledger account means the debit balance as per cash book. Okay? And lastly, balance as per bank book or balance as per bank statement means credit balance as per passbook. Understood? These are very, very important points. Okay? You need to have a clear concept or complete concept before solving BRS problems. Understood? Now, what is the formula of bank reconciliation statement? Bank balance as per cash book plus reconciling items, that is transactions which we are going to add, minus reconciling items, that is transactions which we are going to deduct, is equal to bank balance as per passbook. Okay? Similarly, bank balance as per passbook plus reconciling items, that is the transactions which we are going to add, minus reconciling items, that is the transactions which we are going to deduct, is equal to bank balance as per cash book. Understood? This is very important. I hope you understood. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your precious time. I sincerely hope this was helpful. And before I fade out, please remember, hard work can beat talent if talent does not work hard. Bye-bye. Take care. Stay safe and stay blessed always.